Are you curious about the ins and outs of quarterly taxes? In this video, I'll guide you through the fundamental concepts of calculating and paying quarterly taxes so you feel empowered to manage your business tax requirements. I'm Marissa from Collective, the formation, tax, and accounting solution for self-employed people. Let's talk about estimated tax payments. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are estimated taxes? Estimated taxes cover the tax liability on your entire income, including wages, self-employment earnings, and investment income. They are the quarterly prepayments of your tax bill. If you're self-employed or freelancing, estimated taxes are your way of paying into your tax bill. They help prevent an unexpected balance due when you file your tax return and can reduce the risk of underpayment penalties and interest. Let's break down the process of calculating your estimated taxes step by step. Begin with estimating your taxable income. Your taxable income is the total of all your income sources minus the standard deduction. Next, establish your tax rate and compute your tax liability. You can find your current year tax rate through a simple Google search. You will also need to know your filing status, like single or married filing jointly. Your estimated tax liability will be your taxable income multiplied by your tax rate. Next, total up any tax payments you've already submitted. Subtract these payments from your estimated tax liability. If your payments exceed your estimated tax, you're good. If not, divide the balance by 4 to determine your quarterly payment. If your state has income tax, repeat this process for your state's quarterly taxes. Now that you know how much to pay, when do you pay? Estimated taxes are due each quarter on or around April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th. The due dates are adjusted for holidays and weekends, so keep an eye out for changing due dates each tax year. So, how do you actually pay estimated taxes? You can opt for the classic route of mailing a check with a tax voucher, but keep in mind the risks of check fraud. For a faster and safer method, consider making payments online. What if you miss a payment? Life happens, so don't worry. Missing a payment won't land you in jail, but you might end up with some minor underpayment penalties and interest. If you miss a payment, simply make it up at your next payment cycle. If you go an entire year without submitting estimated taxes, it's still not the end of the world. But brace yourself to pay the entirety of your tax bill when you complete your tax return, likely with penalties and interest assessed. And there you have it, a guide to understanding the basics of quarterly tax payments. You can also refer to our blog in the links below for more examples and visual aids to help with calculating your quarterly taxes. And if you need support with your self-employed business, go to collective.com and learn how we can help with your business formation, taxes, accounting, and bookkeeping. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. See you later.